Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Says and welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, tell your friends to tell your friends, and yeah guys, I'd like to thank you for the views. I'd like to thank you for like the past video guys. Got 91 views. My first video already got 91 views guys. Thank you guys. Please keep supporting the boy, and sorry for the lighting at the back. Sorry for the lighting at the back guys, but yeah, I'm just gonna when I sit like this, sit like this. I'm not mnyam, so I'm gonna sit like this the whole video. So yeah guys, so I'm starting my reacting journey. So like we're gonna react to last season videos, aqua dates, you see. So today I'm watching the first one. That's him with Joseph. You know which Joseph I'm talking about. The relationship break, relationship killer cow, killer all. Yeah guys, let's get into it.
Chatting. I'm not that one. I like you being yourself, maybe myself, and then you know.
But why do you think I'm imitating you?
Because I'm thinking, what are you doing?
I'm also thinking.
Okay, what are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about. Yeah, we'll get into it.
Oh, you're thinking?
Yeah.
Are you really thinking or playing? There's two balls. Like maybe
I'm thinking about you.
Do it.
For the whole date, I wanted to use one hand just to communicate. So when you tryna, you know,
it feels like.
Yeah, it feels like you're calculating it.
Yes.
I'm trying to calculate.
I'm Leslie.
Joseph.
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
You've got very nice hands, Joseph.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Why you love hands? Because now we're gonna be holding each other with hands, and it's not, you know.
Why do you love hands? Answer the question, my brother, my bra sister.
So what do you do for a living?
I do YouTube
My bra
and
sister, answer the question. This
yeah,
looks
breaking
interesting.
people's relationships. Others say I'm acting, but I'm doing what I can do to survive.
So what do you mean breaking people's relationships?
Because we have
They
like
say
a problem
up until you come to them.
Mental thing that is going on in South Africa. People don't take relationships serious.
Okay.
And they get sick, and the ARVs are getting like, what do you guys say?
Finished.
Yeah.
And they finish.
They are finished, and people are getting more sicker, and then they don't.
So what do you do?
So my thing is, I come to a relationship, we solve it
By doing
breaking it.
By doing what? How do you solve my relationship?
Just exchange phones. If you are with a person, you get to give your person a phone, and you both chat. That's another best way of solving HIV. If you don't want to solve it, it's cool. But my thing, I'm doing it.
So what if Mina, I want to also check your phone?
My phone is always open for my person.
Which is me.
No, by now,
okay,
my person, not you. But like I'm saying, if I have a phone,
yes.
now I wouldn't say. But if I have a phone, if it's out there, my person can check it. No, how can I be your person? Explain to me how am I your person? Maybe I'm kind of lost in the situation most of the
times. My God!
Most of the times I'm high, I forget. Maybe we spoke. Maybe we woke up to next to each other. Today we just didn't know because
Now guys, the things this guy says, like,
Marage, at least what if like
I
wanted to be your person? Let's say that.
You see, now you come in right. You wanted to be.
Okay, no, but I want to be like I see us.
Now going. You single?
Yes.
Are you going through it?
No, I'm happily single.
You're happily single. That's why I'm not needed.
Why?
You're so right. Why am I needed if you're single and you are happy? Do you want me to give you problems? A person like me comes with problems.
Like what?
I'm one of the hardest people to deal with in a relationship.
And this guy talks. So if you guys are happily singing,
mine is not yours.
If you're sadly
but you can still check it. But that's the truth. That's how it works. You can't expect me to be there and then I I have to be a man.
Yes.
And now, you know how phones are rolling nowadays.
How are phones
And
rolling?
the nicest thing about me, if you date me, I buy you that phone so that I know it's mine and yours.
Says I have to be
You
a
don't
man
have to
because
be
it's
worried about buying a
ours.
phone.
You know.
And your phone is not mine.
It can't be because I bought it. If you want our phone, buy
Okay,
it.
what if I want to buy you a phone?
You can buy it.
And then
I'm not
now-
gonna use it like that, but like you can buy it, put it on the table. But me, you have to use mine. That's why I'm saying I'm the hardest to deal with.
Okay, I can deal with that.
You can deal with that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a person where if we're in a relationship and I'm with you near me for like 5 days, I get disgusted. Like it feels like I'm in hell. I'm not lying.
Why does that
It's
happen?
just hard to deal with. I'm giving you nice reasons for you to know that. Stay away from a man like me.
That's crazy. Disgusted of your own partner, yo.
Oh, you're a church boy.
Yeah, now I'm back at church.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Not really. I just wanted to have connections.
What kind of connections?
Like, you know, I don't go churches where now when you go to church, in the whole church, everyone is broke. And then now we're expecting God to send money on earth. We don't even help each other. No, I don't go to such churches. I go to a church where I know for sure that if I ask you as a member of my church for 10,000 and tell you I'm gonna give you next week, at least you're gonna give me, or at least you're gonna give me for half.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you a church boy?
No,
Okay.
I used to be.
Why? What happened? You changed on God.
No,
But I know niggas that changes on God.
no, I
think that
didn't.
they're
I
better.
think. What happened to me? I was a huge churchgoer.
He's not a nigga.
Then COVID happened.
Do you think when we go to church it's just us wanting to receive the word, or it's us sharing the word
What do you go to church for?
with each other and
Did you just say I was
talking
a
about
huge church
testimonies
scam?
that God is giving
Amen.
us everything? We're there to talk for
Sorry,
like
we're not
about everything.
homophobic.
Now, if ever,
Homophobic because
you don't
of-
go to
yeah,
church.
homophobic.
Okay.
Yeah, homophobic.
who are you gonna share your testimonies with?
Yo, that's a good
And I
question.
have to go be in the same relationship with the same person who thinks like that.
No,
That's
but
a problem.
I'm now the red flag.
Like, how are we gonna grow if ever you don't?
Hi,
have a
opposites
link
attract. Opposites attract, and I like
If you're
that
not
now
smart,
you
they're
see
wrong,
you and I
Joseph,
together.
man.
Nazo,
Which eye? I'm trying to be like on the same page. Most of the times I'm always below the pages now until I come up. Which eye?
me and you.
You're looking at what?
What star sign are you?
Virgo.
Yo,
Looking at what?
and I love Virgos, hey?
Yes.
I really do. Virgos are amazing.
What makes you love Virgos?
You guys are fun, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, like really fun. I'm having
Us, we
fun.
don't feel fun.
I'm a
What?
Because we feel used.
Yes, Sagittarius.
The
Nine
honest
November.
truth on the table, I feel used as a Virgo by the whole country.
How?
Because most of the times they're laughing at me, trying to think, can't speak English. That time, me, I'm doing it
You
for
look
them,
shitty.
to entertain them. Just think about it. And I have to still keep on doing it, even if they laugh more, because that's what they want. So as we feel, me personally, I feel like, ish, it's hard to be a Virgo. What star sign are you?
I'm a Cancer.
One of the most, yeah,
What?
babies.
Ah, yeah. Okay. What do you?
Babies.
What do you mean?
More of most cancers, whether you're a man or a woman, every problem you face, you cry.
Oh, yeah, for two. Some
I thought he said baddies. Baddies.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think there's
Ah,
any cancer in this world that's gonna come and even try to terrorize me. All of
Oh.
them, they're soft.
I
And they
mean,
want to be babysitted,
You got a masculine
babied,
side.
when they
Don't
like
play with that. It's
getting
got a
sick.
masculine
Like,
side.
I don't understand. Most of people, when you get sick, you want people to take care of you. Are those people sick or you?
I'm sick, but when you're sick, don't you want to be babied?
No. I gotta stand up and do what I have to do so that I can have power.
You're not a robot. That's why you need me in your life. You need me in your life.
Nah, excellent.
Do you wanna
I
help
am
me with my jacket?
No, I can't. You have your
No,
hands.
wait, look at this.
And I'm having my hands to myself.
Wait, I'm waiting for this thing to.
All you do here is to have a conversation. Why did you take it off and you want me to put it on? You see, now you wanna cry. It's a cancer thing. Do it. You have time. Tell me when
Look
you're
at
done.
that, Baba.
Oh my god!
Wait.
What? You can make me cry
Why?
because I'm soft
Yeah.
and I'm sensitive.
So you guys want me to be? No. That one is gonna be hard.
Why?
I might even fart in front of people because I'm trying to be someone that I'm not. Now I'm just relaxed, comfortable. I'm speaking to you. You know, me, I understand people like this, and every person says you are bullshit. You don't love us. Every woman says that, but I feel like
Every woman. And then Tina.
I think we can date.
But
But we'll need more girls.
Teen, I
in
get
the
what you're
dates.
saying when you say
Like
teen.
this nowadays, I have that thing of we agree, me and you, that okay, you know what, we are in the same relationship, so that if we have other girls as in the whole thing,
This guy's trying
because
to have an
I
open
love
relationship.
having multiple like partners, because life doesn't play, you know. If you have one single partner and then at a time when you're facing something serious and they don't help you, what are you gonna do? That one person is there.
No, but-
is crying with you. What is crying gonna help me with? I'm into debt. I want money. I need to push. I need that and that, and then
yeah,
you're crying.
but we can't like. Crying is beautiful. When last did you cry?
It's beautiful.
What would make you cry?
Like
What's up at the clubs?
you not coming home, you're out in the clubs. That would make me cry. Like you raising your voice at me, that makes me cry. Also, any little inconvenience, hey, like yo, I cry. Hey,
What?
any little inconvenience, yo.
I just want three. At least let me explain from the three.
Huh. For example, if like there's load shedding, I cry.
Oh.
And like if
I
you're
have,
snoring,
I have to be the one. I have to be the government for that minute and bring back the electricity when you cry in front of me.
So right now, let's just wanna cry. We do.
I'm trying to be honest. Something went wrong at home. Now we're talking. I'm raising my voice. You cry. What should I do? Should I be a softball in your heart? How is it gonna happen? I'm trying to understand.
you're gonna make me cry.
Why?
You're gonna make me cry.
But why am I being honest? You want me to lie? I can lie. I'm a good liar. And when I lie, people love lies. I think you like lies.
I don't like
love
lies.
lies,
I don't like lies.
Okay.
You've got great skin, hey. Does him and I skin?
No, his work more.
But you can, please, you can go.
Oh, you want me to lie? Okay, I would lie and say his skin is more beautiful.
So,
But that would be a lie. If his skin was more beautiful than yours, I would.
So, but I'm more beautiful.
Yes, that's what I
So
said.
you find
your
be-
skin?
So you find me beautiful.
Yeah,
But you find me beautiful.
not really like that. I don't see men as beautiful. I see men as like,
What is?
if war comes,
Yeah.
we need to go war.
So okay, I have to ask this question. Like, we're sleeping, and then we hear someone breaking in. Who has to go down and see the burglar?
Who has to?
Go down and go attend to the person that's stealing.
You guys.
Probably
see.
both.
Huh?
If we in the same room,
What do you mean?
some shit is happening.
Yeah.
You want to? What do you want to do? You gotta sacrifice.
Huh?
Come back.
Hey, it's-
Come back a little bit and have some power. Don't say for sure. Let's get in. You can't be just wanting to sit down and then you're just chilling, and then me I have to fight the person. I mean, what if there are two people down there?
But what if?
Should I fight both of them?
Oh my god, that is amazing! What a burger! Thank you.
Sir, we appreciate Mel.
So you wouldn't want me to call you like no, I my nine or
it's gonna be a problem. Though.
What do you mean?
So the problem, how I view life.
Yeah.
We're going forward. There's no time to cry. There's no time to boom. I see a lot of couples online. I feel like you guys are playing. Next week, you bam with another person. The next other week, bam with another person. Are you not tired? I feel tired of dating, and I can't be forcing and going forward and lying to myself that is cool. Forcing is not cool. Are you eating pop?
No, it's mash.
No. So you guys treat mash as pop in a way, because most of us when we eat mash with pop. That's like a petty background.
I don't like mash.
With archer on the side. Like what do you have there? We just need pop to add on. We don't need to.
But this is mash.
I don't like mash. I don't like tomato.
What does mash do?
It's potato. It's come. Let me feed you.
No, you can't. I don't want it.
Why?
Think about it. It mash. The way it looks, it feels like it's gonna give me stomach problems because it's gonna run smooth. I need something that's hard. Pop. You guys don't even understand why.
No, you're making me think of my mash, and
I don't think about it. Eat your food. Now we're gonna.
Okay, let me ask for chips.
I have chips. You can take some.
Oh, you're gonna share your meal with me?
No, the chips only, not the whole meal.
Why?
Because you wanna order the chips and we don't have the time. I'm a busy man.
Oh, hey, that was still puppy. Oh, you're gonna share a meal with me?
Yeah, but like, please feed me.
It can't happen.
Why?
Why should what do you wanna do with your hands? I'm taking a fork and put it in your mouth. What do you wanna do with your hands? You just wanna feel special. It's nice to feel special, but sometimes other people can't.
Are you even romantic? I'm so you're hurting.
I'm into those.
But to me,
I can if I was into you, but I'm not really I'm the wanted more. Like me, I call myself the Halal, not the Halali. I'm not the one who does the Halali. I'm the attractor. No, I don't get attracted.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I don't want my chip, thank you.
No, I'm gonna
Thank you.
Thank you.
When I have one or maybe 2, 3, so I know when you're done putting your hands into my plate, because it's not even romantic. A lot of women love doing it, and for me it pisses me off.
Okay, take your chips.
No, you can take them, because I think I worked your mash and it's not nice anymore. I also can see how you're putting it. It looks like pop. What's your body count?
You craving.
Well, I know. A lot of people don't share body counts.
How? I'm interested.
3.
In don't ask me why. Just interested to know his body count.
You're lying to yourself if you lie to me.
No, I'm actually a virgin, eh?
Oh. So you're lying about 3.
No, I get I was under pressure. But yeah,
but now you're cool up below the pressure.
No, I'm
So how many?
I'm a virgin. I'm waiting for the right guy.
That looks nice.
Who's gonna do what?
Beautiful.
Who's gonna open my virginity?
Me, I best believe you have a car. You have a car. Well, how possible that you be a virgin when you have a car?
What do you mean? Virgins have cars?
How many of them do you think they have cars?
You? I don't know. You're so funny.
Me, I don't think people. I don't believe in people saying they are virgins.
Why?
You guys lie a lot.
Okay, I have
chocolate box.
3.
Chocolate box. So they opened him 3 times.
It's a little bit
That's what he's
dark,
trying to tell you.
but like
Vula
we
him
have like an 8
3
o'clock
times.
appointment.
Open that hole
We.
3
I saw you came with like a friend.
But yeah,
As normal, angas kappa, say rent back. I know like it's bavalile, but they'll open for us. Do you have your
My
ID?
friend.
No. He's gonna be the witness. I'll just like grab probably like someone from here. We go to Home Affairs.
What are we doing? You
like going to get
we
married,
here,
weakness,
we're leaving
what's going
8
on?
o'clock, Home Affairs.
Joseph, you're shot.
My friend, what's going on?
I just need him to.
Stop daydreaming. It was during the night, but a little bit still early for the night for you to dream this early. At least maybe if it was 4 o'clock, we can say maybe you are daydreaming or you are walk dreaming, maybe at least, but no.
So it never happened.
Wow. I don't even have friends.
He's walked
Even him, the friend that I came with, is not my friend.
Rejected your marriage.
One thing I love about you, you are so
You
hilarious.
love something about me.
Yes, I love a lot of things. Can I tell you?
Just for the
I love
cash.
how confident
But
you
I'm
are.
not a child.
I love how outspoken you are. I love your features on your face, like yellow bone.
Yellow bone is you, not me. I don't think I'm yellow bone. I just think I'm a woman, but with their skin color. That is, yeah, I don't really see it like that, but cool.
And then you've got dimples.
When I like it. I don't think you'll see them any
I saw your dimples.
maybe.
Yeah, obviously, like, so then it's
Please show me your
I
dimples.
kinda lost my normally people don't see them. I only show them when I'm during the things. But it's important to show all of the features of the face during sex, because a lot of people take it light. You gotta be like, show us that you're enjoying it. That's the only nice thing on earth.
So you smile during sex.
Yeah, you see me more smiley, you see me more lavish, more romantic. I do all the nice things.
But what if I don't like sex? I
You don't
actually
have to like sex.
like. I'm not a huge fan of it. Hey,
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I'm still gonna have sex.
with who?
You won't have sex, I'll have sex outside.
You're not supposed to like sex.
And if I'm having sex with someone, I'll tell you that, you know what, I'm having sex with someone. I like not knowing you're already Bluetooth there.
Yeah,
You're already connected, you're already playing on loudspeaker.
Yes, yes.
Now, I don't know how to kill this one, to be honest. I've never ate this much burger. How do you attack this one?
I got a huge thing.
Which way should we go? See? Now you can't help me.
I'm helping you. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Okay.
How do I go about it?
Yo.
Normally I have to, the problem, the sources, everything. How do I go? Give me the plan. Let's say we are in a relationship and we are on a date and I can't eat burger.
Okay.
Give me some directions. Let me not embarrass you.
Why doesn't he close his
I think we're
jacket
gonna take the stick out.
and he eats
The stick
with
out?
his
Yeah,
hands?
Oh, you're gonna tell me.
Dad opens his jacket.
You're gonna give me the whole plan before
Yes.
I do it, okay?
And like him, like
Oh,
now.
I think like
Shank
use the
fucking
stick
burger.
and then you
Just
press down the
enjoy
burger.
it. Yeah, Sandra.
I think it works.
Yeah, well,
I have to use the stick, press down the burger, and then
press it down. Like, yo, it didn't move.
it can move. This is a bread. This is like, it's not a burger. It's see. Maybe something like this can work. Your strategy is not working.
But we worked together. You saw.
Yeah, you tried, but it didn't even help. Now this, if you know this, what is this? You could have had a very nice technique to attack. Now at least I'm attacking from an angle.
This
See,
guy's not
and
feeling
it's bad
it,
for me because I'm not used to fork and knife, and then I don't like them. I will usually eat with my hands. Like
So why don't you
everywhere.
eat with your hands?
No, I can't be eating burger with my hands. Now my hands are full of burger. Something that I can mess it up and just eat it from sides. See? Easy.
This video's low.
Okay, like
In the shower.
I also need to say something.
Oh, it's not a shower.
I have taxis.
How many?
My dad left, I think, 24, 26 taxis. And like as the siblings, we inherited them.
Ha! Yo, that's
How many
easy
do you
there.
have of your own?
Call me.
Are they
talk
still
about
even
this.
running? I'm
Take
just
one for the
asking.
team,
I'm not
guys.
fighting.
All my friends
Why
are
were you
pro,
always
so I'm
fighting me
taking
better
one for
today?
the team.
No,
24 taxis.
Like you've always
Overdose
like
pain is
literally.
This is the most
Make them
polite
mind.
move I've ever seen in
Footy
the
doesn't
whole
have
You didn't
sex,
even compliment
so-
me. You didn't compliment
It's
how I
nice.
look.
I won't
Why?
kiss you. I'll dab him
Oh,
out.
you're not
You
like
saw
this.
yourself in the mirror. I came out, look at myself in the mirror. I'm okay, I'm cool, I'm looking good. Let me go to the day. You saw yourself and you thought you were good, or you didn't think you were good. Why did you come? You can't be thinking that you're not good and you still attend. So you want me to tell you the things
I'm
you
gonna
know?
cry.
Okay, sorry, you want me to tell you the things you know? It's bad. You know you're beautiful. You can't waste your time with being. I'm that one when you're done being angry, you let me know. And you apologize for being angry. So you have to do soon.
So what? I must apologize. I must wait. What did you say?
You have to
Me,
apologize.
I won't make
that
you
we're
apologize
angry.
for being angry.
So I must tell you why I was angry and apologize why I was angry.
When you're angry, I'll drive all those things.
So what do I have to do? Come to you and say, well, you know what? You are gonna be fool. Whatever I'm gonna say and whatever I'm gonna be explaining there, you know it doesn't matter. All you want is affectional things. So if you want affectional things, you talk. You don't be wanting to be babied when you want affection.
You said like Mina. For example, I love someone who's very affectionate and very comforting and says sweet stuff and says, speak to me like this. I love guys that do that and show me love.
So soft.
Yeah, but why you're so rough? Like you're so rough, but you're rough with me. I don't
I
like
think
it.
it's you alone. It's the whole country.
What do you mean whole country?
If I'm speaking to you this way, I'm not changing myself when I got to meet anybody.
So it's me and everyone.
Everyone. I'm just being honest. You want me to get there in life. I'm that one that you cannot rob or cheat on.
Yeah, but it's the old guy, mama. The other chance, that figure there, your edge is looking like this, then they'll be like, oh, you have a nice edge.
And my question is, which is most of the niggas don't love asking, but they don't love asking them to the right person.
Okay.
Me, I got the right person today.
Huh?
To them, if do you have 1 million? Just a million, yeah.
Do you have?
Because that's what I'm looking for in a relationship.
Huh?
In life.
Don't ask asking for us.
In life.
He's asking for us.
Okay.
1 million.
Does that R1,000,000 come
must
with you being my
That guy
only
gotta
person? We're not gonna share.
One person.
We're not gonna share.
Bring the million in the table. Then it happens once, and
This
then the
guy's
next thing when it
trying, man,
happens,
straight, and
at
he's
least you'll
telling
be
you
able to
live,
bring
for life.
at least 250,000.
1 million,
You know,
I tell you, man.
we working, fella. That's business. I think I'm gonna be acting in your life for free.
Wow, Eki. Me and him are gonna win.
So second dating?
Hey, Rocket, how many
What do you
restaurants
think?
did they go to, these people?
So I have to make that decision.
Yeah, the next one you have to come with 10,000, like just like you know what?
Don't-
I'm taking you serious,
May I
boy.
say don't go.
This
Let's
is
go
going
on our
somewhere.
first
We
date
see this.
last
This is
season, me and
happening.
you. Talk about
So
our millions.
What
Taking one for the
for
team.
me? I won't be able to pay your bill.
Why?
I don't
He
have a
even pays for
phone.
the bill. Share. You guys are kind of going out to your
I do not have
stores,
a phone.
taking them to fire room, your
So
cut
what my I got lost coming here because I didn't have a phone. I asked people along the way, saw white people telling me 10 right, 10 left.
Yo, bro.
Most the others were racist. I had to deal with that. Think about it. Just to get to this date for you to tell me that I have to pay.
Okay, like let me go down.
Every time when you give a person, when a person gives you a 10, your best boys, you give them how much? If they tell you, no, you turn that way. Even if they are wrong, you give them like, how much did I give them? 25 rand. And then how many 25 rands I had? Because that's how I do. When I go places, I have stack of money, 25 rands, you know, in that I'm not gonna know the direction. When I meet someone, I give them 25 rand for just telling me the corner.
So let me go down to go to the car. No.
And if you go down to the car, you can give me the keys, I'll go for you.
So like, like Brian, Jayam, short doggy.
Doesn't work.
I might not have. I'm
So
gonna
now we have to be brothers because someone has to pay. What you have to do is pay for your meal, I'll pay for mine.
Just
give me your phone. Open. And I'm putting my numbers in. Not my numbers, sorry. That's wrong. I'm putting my iCloud in, and I'm driving it. And then you get it the time I buy a phone. Maybe I'll buy a phone after 5 months. I don't have a phone.
So much for 5 months, I mustn't have a phone because you took my phone.
Because I paid with the money that I had to take the directions. You'll come get it. I'll give you directions on, I don't know. But you can come get it.
After 5 months. And he has millions, so he'll buy another phone. He's gonna buy me an iPhone. He's gonna buy me an iPhone. And it's over with these weird qualities of Android. And when I live in the Susan's pause, I sleep in my own room. He sleeps in his own room. We dab each other up. That's all, guys. No love languages, but like, yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the friends, to tell their friends, turn on post notifications. Thank you for getting this far. Please keep on supporting the boy, guys. I'm not gay. Just know that. Oh, load shedding happy. Yeah, guys, I'm not gay. I'm actually straight. Just that I need money. And I'm taking one for the team because my boys are all broke. You feel me? Yeah, guys, thank you, guys, and I love you all. Let's get this video to 100 views. That one had 91, eh? Let's get it to 100 views. That's all I'm asking from you guys. 100 views. That's all. And thank you, guys. Out.